Start by laying face down, tuck your chin, and keep your forehead on the ground to maintain a neutral neck position and engage your core to stabilize your spine. Place one hand on top of the other on your lower back. This is the handcuff position. Begin the exercise by retracting your scapula. Retract your scapula by actively squeezing your shoulder blades together, imagining there's a pencil you're trying to hold between your shoulder blades. Slowly extend your arms out to the sides and then forward in a circular motion, keeping them slightly elevated off the ground. This should mimic drawing a large circle with your hands. As your hands meet in front of you, bring your pinkies together and scoop your palms upward while keeping your forehead on the ground. Hold this position for 1 to 2 seconds. Yes, it is going to be difficult. Reverse the circular motion, bringing your arms back out to the sides and then down to your low back, placing the opposite hand on top this time. Continue repeating this movement for the prescribed number of repetitions, alternating the top hand each time you return to the starting position. Focus on maintaining smooth and controlled movements, ensuring constant engagement of your core and upper back muscles. The handcuffs exercise is excellent for enhancing shoulder mobility, strengthening the upper back, and promoting better posture. Regular practice can contribute to reduced tension and improve functionality in the shoulder region, making it beneficial for individuals who experience stiffness or spend long periods sitting. As always, don't push past any pain and remember to breathe.